Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Netflix profile picture. And in here, I've already on my phone and I'm going to start by clicking on the Netflix apps on my phone. And in here, I have more than one profile. So for example, I want to change the profile pictures of my profiles in here, so you can just click on the pencil icon at the top right corner. Click on the profile that you want to change the photo, then click on the pencil icon again on the photo. And in here you can see Netflix will offer you with some of the icons that you can choose for your profile picture. You can just choose one. So for example, I'm going to just use the classic ones in here, this one. So just select the photo, and after that you can just go back, and you can see now when you go back again, the profile picture will change automatically. So that's how you can change it on the front page. But if you already open your profile, for example, you already on the Netflix homepage, if you want to change your profile picture, you can just click on your profile picture at the top right corner, and then here go to the manage profiles, then click on the profiles that you want to change its picture. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.